Hey, it's Paul from Paul's Wanderings, the channel for those that like to get out and explore their surroundings. If you're saying, Paul, those don't look like the wilds of New Hampshire, you're absolutely right. I am coming to you from the concrete jungle in New York City. I'm gonna go and explore Penn Station. So come with me, let's have some fun. Let's go! Penn Station was not on my list of things to do, but when the opportunity presents itself, I say jump on it. It's nice and warm, it's dry, you can't turn that up. I don't know what they're blowing their horns about. It's a freaking red light. No one's going anywhere. Jeez. Penn Station was quite the unexpected find. I hope you liked the wander through Penn Station as much as I did. If you did, remember, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, remember to click on the subscribe and the notification bells down below so you know when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, I know that you'll love the one that'll pop up right here. So until I see you again in my next adventure, this is Paul, signing off.